Welcome to Lesson 5. In this video I'll show you how to create a screener. It will include stock price, strategy points, and some ratios. Start by creating a tab called Screener. In the Börsdata terminal, you select which ratio should be displayed. As shown in the picture, choose a ratio and then click on the Copy to Excel button. Paste the formula in the Excel sheet, and the ratio will be imported. Choose the ratios that you think are best suited for your dashboard. If you don't know which one to use, just use the same ratios as me. In the cell above the table, type the following formula. Highlight the instrument ID on the Search tab. In the Screener tab, select the Instrument ID column in one of the tables. Highlight the Value column in the table. Format the cell so it shows one decimal only. Copy and paste the formula above each table. Use the same principle as in the previous clip to move the formula selection. Go back to the Search tab. Insert a new word art box and delete the text. In the formula field you write equal and select the cell in the Screener tab to be displayed. Copy the text box and write what the title is for the value. Select both text boxes and copy them. Paste as many text boxes as the number of values to display. Remember to change the values in the text boxes. I will fast forward this section, but remember to align everything so you get the professional look. I also added 3 new ratios that were not shown in the clip. Change company, and check if it works. Everything loads as it should. But just to be safe, we test one more company. Very good. Now we only have one indicator left, then our dashboard is complete. If this video was helpful, hit the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Which ratios did you use for the screener? Leave a comment and let me know. See you at the next lesson.